What I take with me is that the goddess or divinity, she likes to look at herself through the eyes of other people. So if I look at you and I see the divine in you, you see the divine in yourself. And if you look to me and you see the divine in me, the goddess is there and is there for me and is there for you. So that has been transformational, life-changing. I have realized that if we give ourselves permission to be who we are, then other people give themselves permission to be who they are. Truly shiny, full of light, full of happiness, or full of whatever is there for them at the moment, but just present and true to themselves. And before I was a bit scared to be truly myself, who I really am. I had a sense that shining would make other people uncomfortable. And I have realized here during this week that it's the other way around. Through working with other women physically, intimately, going a bit beyond what you would in the outer world socially deem outrageous, but it's done in such a holy way, in such a healing way. The intention is so high and so deep that miracles happen. Caroline and Amrita have been delightful. They're the perfect complement for each other. They work together wonderfully to bring this presence of the joy and the holy, the goddess herself. They emanate that. So their presence transmits to us what we can be. It was a big decision to take the time and make the investment to come. It was worth it all the way.